Once the people of Mecca had a really bad drought, so a couple of people went to the leader of Quraysh, which is Abu Talib, and asked him to pray to Allah to stop this drought. They knew that Allah would answer Abu Talib's prayers, not theirs, because Abu Talib was a true believer and they were idol worshippers. When they went to Abu Talib's house, they said, "O Abu Talib, can you pray to Allah to stop this drought?" Upon hearing this, Abu Talib went inside his house. When Abu Talib got back outside, Muhammad was with him. The people thought to themselves, how could an adult depend on a child so rain could fall down upon them? Then Abu Talib went to the Kaaba with Prophet Muhammad. When they went to the Kaaba, Prophet Muhammad just lifted his finger for making dua. Then all the clouds went together to make a huge, huge cloud. Then the rain went down really, really strong. And then Abu Talib said, وَأَبْيَضُ يُسْتَسْقَى الْغَمَامُ بِوَجْهِهِ ثِمَالُ الْيَتَامَى عِصْمَةٌ لِلْأَرَامِلِ.